What if it comes in here? Oh, we should escape while we can.
No, we have to stay here. It's heading away.
Now is our chance. Let's go.
No! Remember what Helen said.
But what if he's using us as bait for whatever is out there?
My instincts say to trust him.
I rely on facts. We don't know Helen, and there is a creature trying to eat us.
Umba is right. I trust him.
Oh no! Poor Helen!
Let me in, please.
Helen! What's happening out there?
It was coming for you all, but I drew it away. The RAG-RAZ'R. Every year at this time, the same. It comes and eats. It doesn't stop.
That thing that chased us and poisoned Rue?
Aye, it gorges itself before the hard cold arrives. It leaves me with nothing, and now it has taken my home too.
Can it be stopped?
Many have tried.
Listen.
Don't make a sound.
Umba! Look out! No! Oh no!
You survived!
Rue's rock composition probably doesn't meet the dietary requirements of the RAG-RAZ'R.
Happy that I'm off the menu. Ugh! What the?
Time to form Holt.
1, 2, 3, Holt!